Hey people, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome, beautiful people. This was just me basically the day I went to measure for my dress for the photo shoot, and this is a day before the photo shoot proper. I was just packing my jewelries, and I'm that extra mom. I also packed some makeup. Yes, I did my makeup. Yes, but it was banging. I don't know what was in my thoughts for me to go and pack makeup. Chico, no, just scratch that part. Okay, so this is just me basically packing up the essentials because I wasn't going to come with the kids, my husband alongside. I was just going to go to the makeup studio. When they're done, they'll not come and pick me. So this is just my feet, my shoe, yes, my accessories, and this is my daughter's clothes. This dress is so beautiful. I got it from a vendor on Instagram. And then this is just my gown. It's so simple. It's a black gown. And today it was just hair day with the kids. My son was going to cut his hair. My daughter went to just do just a bun with kinky attachment, and that's just it. Somewhere close to the house. Nothing extra. At what age did you and your kids take your family photo shoot? Or have you guys actually taken? Or did you take when they were small and you did another pre or updated one? Maybe 10th anniversary, 5th anniversary. But this was just us a day before trying to get ready. Like I said, today we just went to a nearby salon just along the street to do the hair. Then me, I had to relax my own hair and braided it, just cornrows actually. So this is the first time my daughter is entering this ancient and modern hair dryer. So this is the finished look of the hair. Hope you guys love it. This should be proper. The next time you see my face, it will be all glam. Yeah. Just take a moment to appreciate this beauty. This is like the third time I'm getting a professional makeup. The first was my birthday, it was my wedding. Second was a wedding. Then this is the third time because I actually learned makeup some time ago, so I could do makeup, but a lot of things have changed. So sometimes I just want to get somebody else to beat my face, if you get what that means. So this is the mother hen trying to make sure that everybody is perfect. And this was my own turn. Just see now. My daughter is so I don't know, that's a word. So this is just behind the scenes of the photo shoot. My husband took his turn. We were just vibing to his song, and that's just it. If you know the song, sing with me. Just with the dance step, do you know the song? If you know the song, let us know in the comments. Okay, so how you guys doing? Thank you so much for the love on all my videos I've been uploading recently. And for my newbies, thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share my videos, like, and drop a comment on any of my videos that resonates with you, if you get what I mean. Okay, so this is just basically us. There's nothing we did not promise these kids for this photo shoot for them to behave, for them to stay okay, because taking pictures with children it's not easy. It's not for the faint-hearted. When A is ready, B won't be ready. When B is ready, A won't be ready. You guys will see all the backstory. See now, when A is exactly when A is, we promised ice cream, we promised everything in this world, and at the end of the day, we actually went to fulfill it. Because if you don't fulfill your promise, you'll not hear a word. So this is us basically going to shop for ice cream at the nearby supermarket when we are done. So like I said before, thank you guys for watching. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch to the end to see the edited pictures. Okay, like I said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video is going to be my birthday vlog, how my birthday went, so you won't want to miss that. My birthday promises to be an interesting one, so it's not just going to be a day, it's going to be a week of celebration. So in our only two way, because so stay tuned to the channel. This is the channel you need to stick to. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. So this is us fulfilling our promise, and I'll see you guys later.